Have you ever had your cocktail shaker leak or just make watery drinks? Chances are you're just using it incorrectly. Today, I'm gonna give you 5 tips and tricks for mastering any hybrid cocktail shaker so you can shake like a bartender and sip like a pro. Let's go. Number 1, chill before you shake. Pop your shaker and even your glasses into the freezer for just a few minutes. A cold shaker chills your drink faster and prevents excess dilution. Number 2 is use solid ice. A big beginner mistake when people first start using their cocktail shaker is they use crushed ice because they think it's going to cool their mixed drink quickly. While it does do that, it also dilutes the drink very quickly, which is a big no-no. So always go with big ice. Number 3, shake hard and shake fast. Don't be shy. Cocktails need energy. A firm 10 to 15 second shake with good rhythm gives you that crisp chill, smooth texture, and a nice frothy top on drinks with citrus, egg whites, or cream. So basically put a little finesse into it, and trust me, guys out there, it's a great way to show off your muscles to the ladies, and ladies making drinks out there for your guys, trust me, we'll love the little jiggle show that we get. Number 4, double strain your cocktail for a smoother drink. For cocktails with muddled fruit, herbs, or pulp, pour through a fine mesh strainer just like this, in addition to your shaker's strainer. This will keep your drink silky smooth, and trust me, it'll make it look extra professional. Just get yourself a small strainer just like this off Amazon. They all work the same, but I'll put a link down below if you're interested in the one I have right here. Number 5, one of the most important ones, is obviously maintenance. Take care of this thing. Once your drink is made and served, take a quick moment just to rinse out and off your shaker. This will prevent things like sugars, herbs, or pulp from sticking on the inside or clogging the built-in strainer. Trust me, you're gonna wanna make another drink down the road, so you might as well just prep it for that. And there you go, those are 5 simple tips and tricks that'll make your hybrid cocktail shaker your best bar tool instead of your biggest headache. If you're interested in more cocktail videos from me, you know what you can do? You can check out the videos over to my side that go over the Smoke Show cocktail smoker or this awesome hybrid cocktail shaker right here. And if you really want to help me out, you can go down below, hit like and subscribe, and leave me a fun comment. But I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and as always, peace.